Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about Churchill Capital. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be doing a video about Churchill Capital, sitting at $33.43. The biggest question right now is, should you buy Churchill Capital at $33.44? I know a lot of people have been talking about Churchill Capital, and that's obviously because of the rumors that have kind of been spreading. I know a lot of people kind of missed the train, and they're wondering, is now a good time to buy Churchill Capital stock? As far as we know right now, Churchill Capital is rumored to merge with Lucid Motors, but as far as we know, it's just a rumor, so nothing has actually been confirmed just yet, but it's been enough to actually drive the stock up over 200% over the course of the last couple of weeks. So if we take a look at the 1-month chart, it's up over 230%, and if we look at the 1-year chart, this thing IPO'd September 18th of 2020. It's a blank check company, so their sole purpose is to actually merge with a different company. The minute that this company was rumored to merge with Lucid Motors, this stock completely just started to skyrocket altogether. And the reason that is because, first of all, if Churchill Capital is set to merge with Lucid Motors, or I know it's rumored, but if it actually goes through, this is going to be huge for Churchill Capital in itself because the stock is going to rally so much. Why is that? Because one, Lucid Motors is going to be the next EV giant. No matter what company Lucid Motors is going to end up merging with, I'm going to invest in that company. Lucid Motors is an upcoming EV company. It's founded in 2007, and I believe it's based out of California. But the thing is, this EV company is a lot more established than other EV companies. This company already plans on selling its vehicles this spring in 2021. They already got a factory that's built ready to go in Arizona, and they also are building a factory in Saudi Arabia. And if you guys didn't know, Saudi Arabia actually has $1 billion invested in Lucid Motors. So that's a big thing. The Lucid Motors in itself, their vehicle is known as the Lucid Air. It's basically called the Tesla Killer. And I love Lucid Motors because it's already making things pretty interesting, already calling out Tesla on their self-autonomous driving technology altogether. It was pretty funny to see, but their vehicle, the Lucid Air, offers a 517-mile range, and it's 1,080 horsepower, so the car is just absolutely fast. And really, even taking a look at the schematics, the car is absolutely beautiful. But really going back to Churchill Capital, I do think right now is a good time to buy Churchill Capital, $34.06. Obviously, this investment is a little bit more risky, and obviously everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion, but you guys have to understand that, as far as we know, it's still a rumor. So investing in Churchill Capital is a very risky investment, but it can pay off altogether. And like I said, if this stock does end up merging with Lucid Motors, this stock will easily go to about $50 to $60, hands down. And like I said, Lucid Motors is going to be the next EV giant, so the stock is going to do pretty well. Now, if we take a look at it from a bigger perspective, a lot of these hedge funds have been picking up Churchill Capital because not only are they optimistic about Churchill Capital getting the Lucid Motors merger, but even if they don't, they're basically pretty positive that Churchill Capital is going to merge with another company, and the company is still going to do well overall. So that's a bonus, especially if you're invested in Churchill Capital when it's early. For me specifically, I own a small position at 100 shares. I bought it at $17. You never know these days. Like I said, with the rumors actually going around, it's definitely fueled a rally altogether, and it's made the stock go. Like I said, if we take a look at the 1-week chart, the stock is up over 60%, and a lot of people are feeling like they need to FOMO into it. I just want to give people a better understanding that right now there's nothing that's actually been confirmed with Churchill Capital and Lucid Motors actually merging. And if you're feeling a little bit risky and you got some extra capital, you want to dish into something, Churchill Capital may not be a horrible investment. There's a lot of people right now saying that Churchill Capital has a very good chance of actually landing the Lucid Motors merger. But really diving in, I want people to know that whatever company Lucid Motors actually merges with, I'm going to invest in that company. I know it's going to be a great investment. I know the company is going to do great things. Like I said, backed by Saudi Arabia, they already have vehicles ready to go. They're taking pre-orders now. It's not like these other top EV companies that have kind of came out, they IPO'd because they wanted a piece of the EV game. We know that a lot of EV companies in themselves, they all want in because why? The market's very explosive. It's growing very quickly. You can expand very quickly as well. But a lot of these EV companies really haven't delivered their part. If we take a look at like Nikola Motors and Hyliion and all these other EV companies, which I'm not bashing on in general at all. I'm not saying anything bad about those companies. But Lucid Motors coming into the game, they have cars made. They're ready to start selling. The company is ready to go public. It's like the company is ready to do these things. Now, What we do know is Churchill Capital is a top contender as far as the actual merger rumors in itself, and we do know that Lucid Motors wants to go public. Now, there was a little bit of a delay with the Lucid Motors merger altogether. I don't know why there was an actual delay in itself, but I know that the Lucid merger was delayed by a little bit, but investors are still optimistic about Churchill Capital actually landing the Lucid Motors merger. And as you guys can see from the stock price itself, it has not stopped people from actually buying the stock. If rumors alone have driven up the stock over 200%, I can't imagine how much the stock is going to go up if Churchill Capital actually does land the Lucid Motors merger in itself. It's going to be huge. And like I said, Lucid Motors is going to be the next EV giant. Without a doubt, the company is going to do very, very well. So I do think Churchill Capital is a very good investment, $33.70. Now, like I said, this is very opinionated, and the overall investment does contain some form of risk. I want investors to know this before they actually buy into the stock itself. Like I said, nothing has been confirmed, but Churchill Capital is one of the top contenders to actually land the Lucid Motors merger. So this could pay off big. I want everyone to be careful. You know, the market's been very volatile lately, and I know a lot of people have made a lot of money, but I know a lot of people have lost a lot of money. Make sure you guys do your due diligence always, and make sure you guys believe in the company before you invest in it. Yes, for me, I like to take some risks, but most of the stocks that I invest in, I believe in them 100% long term. I believe in the long term growth. With Churchill Capital, like I said, it's a riskier investment, but for me, I'm okay taking a little bit of risk. If anything, this thing just falls back down to $20, $21, I can sell there and maybe still walk away with a little bit of a profit. But I am very optimistic that Churchill Capital is going to land the Lucid Motors merger. So let's hope, let's pray that Churchill Capital is the one. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of Churchill Capital. Do you guys think Churchill Capital is getting the Lucid Motors merger? If you guys bought Churchill Capital stock, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.